Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are good. So in the previous video what we have done, we have completed session number 5, how to create a blog. We used online and we used the online application for it. It was the wordpress.com, right? So today we will learn how to write a blog offline. So let's start. Using offline blog editor. So in the previous chapter you have learned to create blogs by using wordpress.com, but if your internet connection is not working, so how will you create the blog and how we will just publish the blog whenever internet connectivity is available? It means we can create our blog, we can just add the images, add links also, everything we can do, but for the publishing we need internet connection. Next is offline blogging. What is offline blogging? Offline blogging means to write a blog post when you are not connected to the internet, for bloggers who cannot use the internet 24/7 but need to update their blog regularly. If internet connection they are not using 24/7, every time they are not using, but even then they can create their post and after offline, and after writing or after do editing and everything after completion, what they can do, they can just publish using the internet connection. It means for the publishing we need internet connection. Some of the popular offline blogging software are Window Live Writer, Koemana, Blogdesk, Thingamma, Scribefire. These all are the offline blogging editors. Next is advantage of offline blogging. What are the advantages? Offline blog editor are faster than online blog editor, because we are just using one blog editor at that time. If we try to access something from the internet, the speed is slow. So offline blog editor are faster than the online blog editor. Next is, while using an offline editor, we have a backup copy of your post on the hard drive. We can keep in the hard drive. Fine. Next is, with the blogging app, all the advanced editing, formatting feature, whatever we are using in the WordPress, we can use all the feature in the offline blogging editor also. So this is also the advantage. Next is, offline editor provide all the settings for images, video and link easily. We can add it offline also. Next is, these editor provide facility to add tags and category directly. We can add it. Next is, these editor help to publish multiple blogs quickly. It is easier to switch from one blog to another. It means we can just, by using two blog editor, we can just publish the multiple blogs at one time. Fine. This is the advantage. Next is, offline editor let you post your article directly to your blog or post as a draft. Whatever you have written, you can just keep as draft, and if internet connection is available, you can publish it. Fine. Next is, this is the word we are using. We have 5 offline blogging editor, but we will learn how to use this one, Window Live Writer. So how we will use and what are the advantages, how to install it, how to configure, these all the things we will learn in this session. So Window Live Writer is the most convenient offline blogging tool, and due to its amazing features, it's widely used and absolutely free to download. It's free of cost. No, we no need to pay any charge for it. Fine. So some of the features of Window Live Writers are, it support multiple blogging platforms. Next feature is vice versa. It means what you write, what you get, what you give, what you see, what you get. It means whatever you are writing, you are able to see. So this is the feature. Next is, it has a built-in image editor. Image editor, it's already provided by this Live Writer. Next is, provide a post scheduling feature also. If one time you just schedule the date of publishing, after that you can change it also. Fine. So this feature is also available of Window Live Writer. Next is, it has extensible feature through plugins. It means plugins also we can connect. Plugins we have already done in the previous session. Why plugins are used? Plugins are used for provide the more features to the app. So this is also available. Next feature is it has the option to add categories and tags. We can add the categories and tags also. Next is Window Live Writer has a post, draft and backup feature. We can just whatever we have written, we can just keep the backup of all the data. Next is it has inbuilt spell checker also. Whatever content you have written, spell checker will just check it and after that it will correct it. Fine. Next is how to download Window Live Writer. Just download Window Live Writer from this site. This site is already given here. You just click on it and after that you can download it. One option is there, download now. You click on download now. After that this type of window will be there. It's showing it's a downloading and after that what you have to do, it's downloaded and after that double click on it and it will installing now. Fine. After the downloading you have to install in your system also. So what will you do? You have to double click on this icon. Now it will get installed and after that once the installation is complete, click on the close button. Fine. By this way we can just install the Window Live Writer. Next is configure Window Live Writer. After the software is installed, it is ready to use, but before you start writing blog you need to configure Window Live Writer before you open it. For it's the first time only you have to configure, after that you can directly use it. Fine. Next is what is the way how to open. One way is start all program, Window Live Writer, and after that this type of is the first time this type of configuration window will be open. What you have to do, this type of message you will get and after that you have to click on accept. After clicking on this option you will get this type of window. Next, after that you have to create a new blog, WordPress you have to create this one and after that next again you have to click on next and you have to enter here ID, password, whatever you are using earlier in the WordPress, same ID, password you have to use. Fine. And after that it will get installed, configured. Fine. This is the setting up your blog account. Fine. After that it will be finished. Next option will be available. Click on next and in the last you have to click on, it will ask blog nickname. You can write any name whatever you want to give and after that click on finish option. Fine. By this way what we can do, this is the configuration of blog account. Fine. Next is understanding Window Live Writer screen. You can see there are this is the Window Live screen. These all are the components. This one is the title bar where the title is showing. This one is the Live Writer tab. This one post property toolbar. All the property of the post will be shown here. Next is ribbon. All the options will be available on ribbon. Next is workspace. Wherever you are just writing the post, this area is called workspace, right? Next is view tab. There are three tabs: edit, preview and source. Next is previewing. Firstly we just go through the use of title bar. I already told you these all are the title bar, Live Writer tab, post property toolbar, workspace, view tab and ribbon. So these all are the components. View tab, there are three tabs inside it. Edit is, in this view the post is actually composed. Fine. Preview, in this view the live preview of the post can be seen. Source, in the view the source and source code of the post can be seen. Whatever source code is written in the HTML language or whatever is written we can see by the source code. Next is how will you create a post. What you will do, this type of icon will be there. You just put the cursor here and start writing on it. fine. And after that, if you write something more, enter in a new line, you will get more space for writing the blog, fine. Add hyperlink, image, video, maps are as per the requirement by using the insert tab. By using the insert tab, what we can do, we can add images, video, map or hyperlink also, we can add it, fine. Next is, if you want to create various option, set up various option for your blog by clicking on the blog option in the blog account tab. These options that can be set up from here. See, these all this is the window. You can just see all the options are there: account, picture, editing, plugin, advantage. If it is not clear, you can see on page number 122. Fine. Whenever you are just doing the video or watching the video, please just open the book. It's a page number 122. Fine. So this is the window. Is option is there: account, picture, editing, plugins and advanced. You can set each and everything. The shortcut group on the blog account tab allow you to quickly view the site and access the dashboard or manage the comment that visitor have made about your blog post, fine. This is the use of blog account tab. It means we can just sign in also by using this tab, or we can just view the site or whatever comment visitor has given, we can just check it, fine. Click on the update name. You can see this is the option, update theme button in the theme group, and the blog theme will be updated. You can change from this place. After that, you can browse and whatever theme you want to set, you can set it like this. Blog theme button is there. After that, it will ask which picture you want to browse. You just browse the picture, it will be shown here, fine. Next is previewing the post. Once you complete write this, these all are things how to write a blog. Next is how to preview the post. You have to click on the preview tab from the view tab. Here is the one tab is there, view tab. You click on preview tab, fine. After that, you can see whatever you have written. Next is publishing the post. All the work done in the, if you have written the post, and just check it is the check the preview of the post also. After that, what is the main task? We have to publish the post. For publishing the post, what is the important thing? It should be online. If you are not online, then you can't publish the post, fine. And there is the button publish, fine. Click on it. See, a nickname you have already given, you can change it also from the same place, fine. Publish group, and Window Live Writer will connect to your blog site and begin to upload the post as shown like this. And after that, you have to click on this checkbox. This checkbox, why it is using, we have to tick it. It's asking open my blog in the browser after publishing. Whatever post you have published, just after publishing, it will show in the browser, fine. If you will click it, then after publishing, it will show the window, fine. This session is over, fine. Next is, this is the note is given. In this note, it's given we can just publish more than one blog site, we can use it, and we can just publish 2 posts at a time, fine. Publish group on the home tab, fine. Next is assessment. First is, what is not required while using an offline editor to create blog? What is not required? If you are creating the blog, not publishing the blog, so what is the requirement? Internet connection is not required if you are just creating the blog, no, fine. Next is, what does S and G stands for? Why? It what you see, what you get. So S means see and G means get is the third option. C. Which of the following is an online blogging site? Window Live Writer is a offline. Quamana is offline. WordPress is online, and none of these. So WordPress we have already used in the previous session. So this one is the correct. Which view is used to compose the post? Edit view we have already done, fine. Next is The publish option is the part of, we have already done in the last note, the publish option is a part of home tab, right? So identify these pictures and name the offline editor application. So first one is this type of symbol, window live writer, is a desk, block desk, is a thing Emma block, and Quamina, and this one is Scribe Fire. Fine, these all are the offline editors. Next is true false. The biggest advantage of an offline editor software is that is slower than the online editor. No, it's a false, because it's a faster than online editor. Fine. Next is, to publish your offline post you need to be connected to the internet. Yes, if we want to publish our offline post we need internet connection, so it's a true. Next is, blogging has now turned into a powerful medium of communication. Yes, we can just communicate through blog also. A visitor will comment and after that you can communicate with them. Fine. Next is, so many other tools also available, but in this session is a blogger it's asking. Blogdesk and Window Live Writer are popular search engine. No, it's not popular search engine, it's a blog writer. Fine. Or blog editor, so it's a false. Window Essential package is a part of Window Live Writer. Yes, because that time we are just installing the Window Live Writer. The question in the window first time it's showing Window Essential package, so it's a part of this Live Writer, so it's a true. Next is, answer the following question. Which tab has command to insert hyperlink, picture, video, table and emo icons? So which tab we will use? Insert tab. If you want to insert something we will use insert tab. Next is, name a few offline editor application. We have already done Window Live Writer, Blogdesk, Quamina, Scribefire. These all are the offline application. What is the purpose of WYSIWYG editor? Whatever you are just writing you can easily see. This is the purpose for using this type of editor. How does an offline editor make it easy to publish multiple blog? We can just write the blog first and after that we just need internet connection and we can using different site we can publish multiple blogs. You have to write the way how to write, you have to write in the steps. Write a few advantages of an offline editor. Advantage it's already discussed in the session. It's a faster than online and we can keep backup of the data. Fine. So many other feature also you have to write a few. What is the difference between edit view and preview view? Edit view is used to compose the post and preview is whatever you have written. If you want to see after the writing you can just see whatever you want to view only. So that time we are using preview view. What is the use of the blog account tab? That is very helpful for sign in and login, or you have to write the steps also. It is used for just writing the username and after that sign in and easily access the blog account and after that update the theme and all things. Write steps to configure Window Live Writer on your computer. If you want to configure, first you have to install it and after installation you have to configure. We have already done the steps in this page number. You can just check, is given in page number 119. Fine. These all are the steps. Start all, configure Window Live Writer. Essentially you have to accept the agreement and after that next and the last you have to click on finish. Fine. So you can write from here also. Whatever you have done, you have watched in this video, please read full the session and after that try to make the notes in all language. Fine. Please, whatever work we are doing you do read and after that make the notes for the question answer. Fine. Thank you. We will see in the next video. In the next session is online transaction. I will cover in the next video. Thank you so much.